Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Shift happily. I would now request Principal Sir, as the President of the Conference Committee, to deliver the vote of thanks for the inaugural session, after which we break for high tea. Over to you, sir.
Honorable dignitaries in the dais, my senior professor members, faculty members, the speakers, the dignitaries, students, and ladies and gentlemen. I am privileged and honored to give you the welcome on behalf of the Paradigm Shift in the Educational Technology and Content Management 2012. I sincerely thank Professor Dr. Soumen Mahapaତ୍ର, Minister in Charge, Water Resource Investigations and Development, Government of West Bengal. I also sincerely thank Sri Rajpal Singh, Minister in Charge, Tourism, Government of West Bengal. Presence of the ministers in these seminars in Techno India indicates the mission and visions of the new government, Mahamati Manush. And they are always encouraging that this type of the conference to encourage the new faculty members wherever possible and whatever way. The Sri Rajpal Singh sir told that the education to reach to the every corner of the society. We are going to organize the NSS program for the first year students, is also the part of the WT syllabus. We can send the faculty member, the students to the slum area or the underprivileged class so that they can be educated through this NSS scheme with the help of the government of the university. Thank you for your advice, sir. I again thank the government of the West Bengal and the supporting us. I would like to thank the IEEE, the Kolkata chapter. Whenever we send any request in any form, we always receive the assistance from them. Professor Sharma, thank you very much. You are always encouraging us to organize this seminar, and with a request to you that if you can able to organize a importance of the participation of the students and faculty in form of a 2 or 3 hour seminar, so then it can be encouraged to the students of the faculty member and it can be make it formal and everything. Will surely the college will assist and help in this regard. I would like to thank Professor Kollam Dotto. In the last 5 years, I hope wherever there is any discussion regarding the ICT and the new method of technology, he was present always, and he always give the support and the importance of the ITC-based program. So thank you very much, sir, that you have assisted and helped us, our young faculty members, so that they can able to organize such type of the conferences in our Techno India. As usual, Mr. Kushal Banerjee is always with us. Regularly, he is organizing seminars for the students and also the faculty member. Thank you very much for your presence. Last year, we had a discussion with our chairman, the Honorable Gautam Rai Chaudhary. He told me why we are not able to organizing a quality conference and the seminars, so that the interaction between the different colleges in the state level or the national level can be organized, so that the interaction between the faculty members, the industry and the different academicians can be improved. So this is the conferences we are organizing last 1 year. This is the second national conference, along with the one ICT-based seminar organized last year. I am really grateful to the advice and the assistance and support for our chairman, Sri Gautam Rai Chaudhary. Thank you very much, sir. The Managing Director, Satyam Rai Chaudhary, and MD, Madam, always with us and always encourages this quality of program. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much, ma'am. I would like to thank you, the organizer, the faculty member, the convener, Professor B.B. Sarkar, P.R. Sarkar, and the faculty members of the MCA and the IT department, though I was not available in this college since last 3 weeks, but I got the information that the day and night the faculty members are working, and even some of the faculty members returned to their home around 1 o'clock night. Thank you everybody, thank you all the faculty members who are directly and indirectly involved with this. I have to mention especially the Professor Soumitra Sasmal, because he received this AICTE sponsor, which applied in the 6 months back. So it is very encouraging that the faculty members are gradually involving in bringing the fund from the different government. Because when we are organizing this type of seminar, definitely sponsorship required. So I would like to see, I sincerely thanks to the publisher, ASPS Publication, for giving us the spontaneous support for the documentation and the printing of the brochure and the proceedings. I sincerely thanks all the sponsors, the Royal Fortune Private Limited, also thanks to CDEC Kolkata, SAC Alliance, University for this academic collaboration with this program. I sincerely thanks to Government of the West Bengal for supporting the national conference to promote the e-learning. I also sincerely thanks to DST, Government of India, DIT, Government of India, Mr. N.K. Sinha, MHRD, Professor C. Bhaskaran, the Pro Vice Chancellor IGNOU, Professor Rughuramon, CEO, Amrita University, Professor Samar Bhattacharya, Director, School of Education and Technology, Jadavpur University, for encouraging your faculty members with their valuable advice and to promote the research activity in this conference. I would like to thank all the students who have participated in this conference, and I also like to thank all the staff members who are directly involved with this program. It is needed to mention some of the members are always working behind the scene. And the 3 persons I would like to mention, especially Mr. Anit Adhikari, Mr. Dr. Arnab Rai, Dr. Arun Ghosh. When I express the support from this seminar, they have heartily involved with this program, and I thank all of you who have supported us in order to make this conference to be a success. I wish every success of this seminar. And last point, I want to make the basic purpose of this seminar to improve the interaction between the different innovative ideas from the different faculty members and the students for different sector of the different colleges. So with this, I conclude my vote of thanks. Thank you very much.
Now, the first half of the inaugural session is over. After 15 minutes, we gather here once again to hear Professor Kalyan Kumar Datta and Dr. Prithimoy Bhattacharya. Thank you.
Example of that, one of the students of our rather what we call multimodal digital distance education, one of the students, we find that she is not interacting. She is not giving any kind of, rather whatever that assignments and other things are given, she is not interacting. So what we thought that either she is unwell or maybe she lost interest in the kind of thing that